Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your Nokia C32. So if you see something like that, like in the notification bar, or the spammy pop-ups and you're trying to visit inside, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. So we have to open the settings, then go to the apps and choose CL apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installable, select the app that you not recognize the name of it, just open it and click on install. Tap on the OK, and in the second step, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. Choose the storage and cache, manage space, and tap on the clear all data. Configure it by OK, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm using Avast, so we can start with this app. Okay, now tap on the green circle in this application, tap on OK, and allow permission to the files. Go back to the app, and now just wait until the end of the scan process, and after that your phone should be free from notification software. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.